Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply for Target credit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in target.com/circle card. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Target. You can see over here you'll directly be led to the circle card interface. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. You'll be able to find three options over here: credit card, debit card, reloadable card. So if you want to apply for the credit card, what you have to do is click on this option, apply for credit, that you can see on the screen. Make sure you're logged into your Target account. If you're not logged into your Target account, you'll be redirected to log into your account. So simply log into your account. Before you get started, you have to have few things ready for the application: driver's license, military or state ID, social security number, income. Simply click on this option, start application. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. There are basically three steps. First of all, you have to provide your personal details like name, address, contact info. After that, you have to verify your identity and review the application. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your name. You can see over here the name will already be written according to the account that you're logged into. So simply enter the legal first name, legal last name. Also enter the middle initial and suffix if you want. They are completely optional. Now after you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to add your address. So simply add your address over here. Click on the field of street address. Now simply enter the address over here. Also make sure to enter the city, state and zip code. Now after you've entered all the details, if you moved in the past 12 months, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. I moved in the past 12 months. If you need your card and all statements sent to a different mailing address, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. Now after you add your address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to provide your contact information. What you have to do is enter your phone number over here. First of all, select the phone type. Click on the field of phone type. Now you'll be able to find the phone types like home and mobile over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the field of phone number and enter the phone number over here. Now after you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your identity. In order to verify your identity, you have to provide your date of birth, identification documents and social security number. So click on the field of date of birth. Now enter the date of birth over here. First of all, enter the month, enter the day. Now enter the year. Now also provide the identification over here. First of all, select the ID issuing state. Now you'll be able to see the states over here. Click on the state of your choice. Now click on the field of driver's license, military or state ID. Now enter the information over here. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the social security number. Click on the field of social security number and enter it over here. Now after you do that, you'll have to confirm the SSN. So simply confirm the SSN by rewriting it in this field. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If all of these informations are correct, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll have to add your income. After you do that, you'll also have to create a PIN for yourself. Once you do all this, you'll have to review the information that you provided. Once you review all the information, you'll have to submit the application. Simply go ahead and submit the application. Now Target will review the application. If your application is approved, you'll be notified via email. So like this, you'll be able to apply for the credit card. So that is how you apply for Target credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.